Some friends and I decided to ride our motorcycles from Lake Tahoe to Yosemite and camp along the way.
Well, cheers, brothers.
Breakdowns were unavoidable because we're on 4 of the worst Sportsters known to Facebook Marketplace. So today's goal is a modest 90-mile ride to Bridgeport, California. We're gonna fuel up and chow down at one of the local establishments, grab some beers for the road, have our first breakdown, find a campsite nearby, and ultimately snap a clutch cable in the process. Enough talking, it's time for some adventure.
Alright, go pack, soon forget.
Good lord, boy. Twist that shit.
I feel like I got
One grip down, dude. Alright, let's pull her up.
2 grips down.
2 on.
Mine was
Let the
done
carb go,
first,
brother.
dude.
I guess
Mine was done
that's
first.
how his bike runs. It's fucking wet. You're gonna kick it.
drop his bike.
Fucking gauntlet, dude. Oh, hi, dog.
Hello, puppy.
What's up, dude?
Yeah, doggo. Hey, doggo. Yo, hold this. This is the shit I mean, dude. Look at my fucking front end.
Whoa.
Does
Yeah,
it actually?
That's a lot of wobble, it looks like.
One job, Myron.
We mounted the choke.
Done this yesterday.
We mounted the choke on the wrong side.
Yesterday.
So now it's
Check
just,
the McDonald's bag.
now it's just gonna dangle.
You guys and your fucking timing covers.
Dangly.
Right there, dude. Look at that tits.
Yeah, I would say we just
Melt
zip tie it to this thing right here.
It's gonna look dumb as hell.
You know what?
That looks chopper as shit, dude.
Fucking look at this.
What the fuck?
Oh no. What is that?
Missing
Mine does
bolts.
this shit constantly, dude.
Oh no.
Hold on. Oh my God.
Short fuel up here in Topaz. Ripping. Off to Bridgeport. You can see Topaz over there. Way the fuck over there.
Look at the ass on the right.
Fucking idiots.
there. Put it there, and then put a rebar yonder, and that'll help from the.
I'll just build a proper fucking art now. Yeah. We don't all got.
I mean, they all have tuning forks. They all turn into tuning forks a little bit, but your welds are strong. It's solid.
And then we put the bolt through it.
Yeah. All right. Did it fall off? Oh shit.
It works.
Something.
Something, dude.
All right. To the bar, I guess.
Yeah.
Sweet. We're gonna get some dinner here in Bridgeport. Rhinos.
Take a flick.
Yeah, dude.
Doggy!
Here's hoist.
True that.
Yard sale time, boys.
Yeah, I think so.
First things
Made
first.
it with minimal damage here.
Side was filling. This side, of course, the side. We lost 2 beers in the name of
Couple
Connor.
beers.
2 beers.
Clutch cable.
This one still has life in it.
Morale has not been lost though.
Yeah, morale is still high, dude.
Morale is high.
We're out here.
Connor, that's gotta be the gayest thing I've ever seen.
Dude, he's doing it too. Shut the fuck up. He's trying to be comfortable, man.
I don't want to be comfortable.
Not as comfortable as me. Or Scooter.
Dude, I could fall asleep.
Hey, fuck you, man.
You're strong.
Oh, dude, are you kidding me? This is so chill.